What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see by the title, today we're going to be going to Z1 Motorsports. I already ordered some stuff. I just gotta go pick it up, but you guys might see what I ordered through the thumbnail. The thumbnail might already show you guys what I ordered. We're gonna go over there with my brother. He's gonna buy something for his Z, possibly two things. I'm just going to go pick up that one thing that I bought and some little rubber things for my top back. I'll show you guys what I bought. I bought this trim piece, and I also picked up the other side's trim piece because this one's also missing. I'm not too sure if it's gonna give me the brackets to mount it, or I'm gonna have to figure out a way how to get the brackets. There goes my brother's Z. Whew. That thing is looking nice. I bought a lot of stuff for this car. It's already lowered. You guys saw that video. This is how it's sitting. It used to sit pretty weird and nasty, but now it's sitting like that. Pretty good. I'm just waiting for my brother, and we're gonna head out. It's 20 minutes away. They wanted to charge me $35 to ship what I bought. I said, fuck that. Let's make a video out of it. Let's go down there and pick the stuff up and mount it and install it the same day. So that's what we're gonna do. It's nothing too crazy. At least what I bought. My brother's gonna buy something that might require a separate video for install, but for right now, what I got is gonna be pretty good. So I'll see you guys in a few. What's up, bro? So what you gonna get at Z1?
Test pipes, exhaust, a cam.
This boy is tripping. Alright, so we made it here to Z1. We about to go in. It's pretty dope. There's a lot of Z's here, right around over there, but we right here. That's pretty sick. Alright, so we got what we wanted and needed. My brother bought what he wanted. Now we're gonna go home and we're gonna show you what we got and hopefully install it today, if not tomorrow, but you guys will see it in this video getting installed. So see you at home. All right, so we made it back. Show them what you got, bro. Anyways, let me show you guys what I bought. You guys might be curious. So I bought a red hose for my power steering return because it's broken and it's leaking, and I got the JDM taillights. The JDM taillights. These are gonna look sick on my car. I'm excited. Can't wait to put these motherfuckers on. It's been like 3 weeks. I got the JDM taillights that are gonna replace these North America taillights. But anyways, continuing where we left off, a lot has happened. A lot has happened since then. My wheels are mounted. I got camber kits for the front and rear. I have coilovers installed, and the rear is currently disassembled because I've been adjusting my coilovers so they wouldn't rug. So I got everything ready. For the taillights, I just got to remove all of these mounting bolts. This one right here. There's multiple ones like this all around the whole assembly of the taillight. That's all I have to remove, and I should be good to go. This right here, my third brake light, I didn't buy because that's actually going to be covered by the spoiler that I bought. So I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod and I'm gonna knock out these tail lights. It should be easy, simple, just plug and play. We shouldn't really run into any issues, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so I put back the interior since my springs are already fully adjusted to where I need them, and my dampening is pretty good. And here is how it looks. Whew. Let me close it. I know it's going to look bad right now with my third brake light still cracked, but that is getting covered up by a spoiler that I got, so that shouldn't really be much of an issue right now. But whew, this is how it looks now. Those tail lights definitely make it look a lot better. Leave it in the comment section below what you guys think. Should I have kept them orange or these JDM tail lights make the car pop a lot more? But anyways, that's gonna conclude our trip to Z1 and the install of JDM tail lights on my 300ZX. But remember guys, drop the video a like, subscribe if you haven't, hit that notification button so you can be notified for every single upload that we do. And remember, successful people are not gifted. They just work hard and succeed on purpose. Deuces.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering. Switch gears and the fans just keep